I'm Amanda, a registered dietitian with Henry Ford Macomb Hospital. The vegetable of the week this week are salad greens. 1 cup of salad greens is an excellent source of vitamin K and vitamin A, and a good source of vitamin C and folate. Lettuces vary in color. Lettuces that are richer or darker in color have more nutrients and more antioxidants. To store different salad greens, you can wrap them in paper towel and place them in a plastic bag with holes in it for some extra air. This bag can be placed in the refrigerator for up to 1 week. Today we're making a salad using a homemade ranch dressing. To make the homemade ranch dressing, you need about 1/2 cup of a low-fat mayonnaise, a cup of a plain yogurt that's non-fat or low-fat, and then some buttermilk or some skim milk as needed. You can also choose whatever seasonings you would like to put in it. Maybe some black pepper, onion powder, some fresh or dried parsley, maybe some garlic powder, some fresh dill like we have today, some fresh lemon juice, maybe some cayenne pepper or some chives. So to make the dressing, you're going to combine the yogurt and the mayonnaise and the lemon juice into a bowl. You can also add in whatever spices you chose. So we have dill and garlic today. And then you're going to give it a mix. This is the part where you would add a little bit of skim milk or buttermilk to your liking. So if you like a thinner ranch, you would add a little bit more. If you would like a thicker ranch, you wouldn't add as much. All right, this ranch dressing is great served on top of your favorite salad. It's also great with any kind of vegetables or on a sandwich. Enjoy! Thank you so much for listening to the Vegetable of the Week. Looking forward to seeing you at the Dodge Park Farmers Market.